Hey everyone, this is Wahid from TryTecho. In this video, we will learn how we can customize our WordPress dashboard. We can customize our dashboard with just a few clicks by using a small plugin called Admin Menu Editor. So we install this plugin by going to the plugins and click on this add new button. And here we search for the Admin Menu Editor. Here is our plugin Admin Menu Editor. Click on this install now button. After installing, click on this activate button. And our Admin Menu Editor plugin is activated. After activating, click on this settings button. Here we can customize our WordPress dashboard. So if you want to hide anything on this WordPress dashboard, just click on it. So if I want to hide this media, I click on this and here is our media on the menu bar, and then select this and click on this and save it. You can see our media button is removed. And if you want to change the name of any menu, just click on it. I want to change the name of this dashboard, just click on it and enter the new name. After entering the new name, click on this save. You can see our dashboard name is changed from dashboard to Wahid. And if you want to rearrange the order of these menus, just click it and drag it where you want. So I want the Elementor on the bottom of this Wahid, so I've saved it. You can see our menu is rearranged. So if you want to change the icon of any menu, just click on it. So I want to change the icon of post, so I click on this post and then click on this show advanced options, and here we click on this icon and choose any icon which you like. I'm selecting this and click on this save. You can see your post icon is changed. So in this way we can customize our WordPress admin dashboard. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.